So this is a quick explainer of how our app works. So firstly, here you have the About section, where you can see some information about the project and the app. Here you're on the classic login page, so I will go forward and log in already. Barbara will log in afterwards. So here you're in the categories page. So I will create a new category called Whip Pop. It's automatically added here. Then I will click on it and create a new skill inside the category Whip Up. Let's call it Tarzan Whip. And when I click on this skill, I can choose the progression. So if there is no way I can do it right now, or if I've already mastered it, then I can say what priority it has for me, if I really want to work on it, or if I don't really care and I let it at 0. And I can also pair up with someone. So here, for example, I can say, oh, let's pair up with Barbara. And then Barbara will get a notification on her smartwatch that she has a pair up request, and on the smartphone also pair up request here. So she can refresh, and then she also has the whip up and the Tarzan whip. So now she paired up with me, and if I say, oh yeah, we recently did this, so here's a video of how we did it, or let's take a picture also. If this was a picture of how we did it, so here's a video of us doing it. And then here is an image. Then Barbara on her screen, she can here see the video also that I uploaded and also the picture. And here this list is quite versatile. For example, if you go back here, the flows is already a category with quite a lot of skills. You can sort them by a number of different things. For example, sort them by priority or by progression, or also just by name. So let's talk a bit more about the smartwatch.
So with a smartwatch, you can add, you can control the camera to take pictures. So here you have your camera, and you can also, you see here that on the smartwatch you have 2 buttons. The one on the above is to have a preview. So for example here, I want a preview of the photo, so you can see here that I can see the photo that I will take with my phone. So you can check if you're in the frame, for example, or not, and then to go back you just click on it, and if you want to actually take the photo, you click here. And this is the same for the videos as well, and then it's uploaded in the skills as well, in the skill. Then the last feature of the skill is that you can add a link to an Instagram post.
I can do it here if you want. Shall I?
Yes.
So, for example, on Instagram, you see, oh wow, this is something that I would really like to do. Then you can take the link, go back to the app, let's say here for the whip up, and say, oh, add your Instagram link. So you can directly paste it here, add it, and then there is a little Instagram symbol. So now, to get a video of someone who does it really clean, I can just click on here. and then it will change to Instagram to show me a video of the person doing it.
Then again with the smartwatch, the next feature is to be able to to log your trainings. So here on the screen you have here in the bottom the training statistics. So first you can see that you get your heart rate from the smartwatch, and then if you want to begin a training you can click here on start, then it begins your training. After 15 minutes it will give you a notification to tell you to drink, because that's very important when you do sports. And then when you're finished training you click on stop, and here you have one training that's logged. At the moment it's 0 minutes because we didn't do it for a full minute yet. You can delete it if you don't want to keep it here, and this way you can know how much you train. Finally, here there is your profile. You can change your profile picture if you want, or you can log out.
Yes, and the last thing is every picture and video you add, you can also delete it if you want. The Instagram link, you could just delete it again too. So if you remove the link and then you click here, the Instagram symbol will be gone. You can delete whole skills if you don't want to have it anymore, or you can even delete a whole category. For example here, delete the category with pups. Yeah, I think that's it, and we'll see you at the presentation.